Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're back on the travel trail. So we've come out from Hobart. Up to a place called Coles Bay, which is just a couple of hours up the coast. And we've booked out this cabin for the weekend with a couple of friends, and it's absolutely huge inside. I'm filming all this on the new Panasonic S5. Some people have been asking about how the S5 handles with the 12 to 60 kit lens. With the 20 to 60 kit lens. So that's what we're going to be doing this weekend. It's going to be all on the Panasonic S5, all autofocused. So yeah, let me know, see how you guys like it, see how this focus is working. But yeah, hopefully going to have a ripper weekend and get to show you guys a bit of Freycinet and a bit of the Freycinet National Park as well. We've actually picked up this place for $195 a night, but we actually get $100 per night back thanks to the Tassie government's tourism grants, which is the Make Yourself a Home grant, where they're paying people to actually travel within the state, which is awesome for us. But check out how huge this place is. We've got an enormous kitchen over here, which is pretty much as big as our kitchen at home. We've got this huge dining room, huge lounge area just for the two of us. There's really nice deck outside, which looks out over this grassy place down there. And we actually have a really huge bedroom in here for us, and it's even got bunks as well. It could fit a whole family in here. So yeah, this is going to be our house for the next couple of nights while we explore the area. Yeah, we're going to settle in here for a bit, and then we've got a sunset cruise booked heading out into the bay. So we're going to go have a look at that and hopefully maybe even see some dolphins and whales and stuff. But yeah, it's going to be a really cool weekend. We've come out to the Freycinet Charters tonight to go and check out the sunset. So let's head out and see what we see. Check out this. This is awesome. We've spent a couple of hours on the boat now. They've taken us down on the beach that's the opposite side of Wineglass Bay. Popped a bottle of champagne and just dropped the anchor down, and now we've started to cruise back towards the boat ramp. So this has been absolutely amazing. So if you're in Coles Bay, definitely recommend coming and checking out Freycinet Charters. Definitely worth the time and the money to come out here. Well, that's the first day of our adventures at Freycinet. Probably head back to the caravan park now and chill out, and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.